Hungry for a sandwich? With just the push of a button, this Grill-Panini Press Combo can be used to press your custom sandwich or open at 180 degrees for grilling burgers, steaks, veggies and anything else you're craving quickly and easily. Use it as a panini press for perfectly crisp bread, no cooking spray required. Adjustable for any occasion, floating hinge adjusts to accommodate any size sandwich, thick or thin. Closed cooking surface of 5.5 by 8.75 is ideal for 2 sandwiches, while lay flat surface of 10 by 8.75 can accommodate a variety of food. Great for a quick meal, summer party or a family event. Compact size, ideal for small kitchen spaces, dorm rooms, offices, and even bringing on road trips. The compact size takes up little counter or shelf space, making storing your contact grill easy. Easy cleaning. The tilt-up, skid-resistant feet allow the grease to run to the drain at the back of the closed panini maker. The non-stick coated grill plates and removable drip tray makes for effortless cleaning. Resources: UL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability, and 1-year assurance provided by Chefman, so you can purchase worry-free. We've got your back. For information on how to use your product, scroll down for a PDF user guide. 1000 watts/120 volts, RJ02 180. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect kitchen gadget. This is such a great little kitchen gadget. It is compact, which I love, easy to store. It also heats up quickly and cooks quickly. Would definitely buy again. We have made tons of easy meals on this thing.